Hi everyone. Example 17, the table below show the cost in dollar. You have a unit dollar sign of allocating worker to tasks. Use the Hungarian algorithm to find an allocation to minimize the cost. So you are given a table form over here. So what are you going to do is, you are not going to using try and error to figure out which one gives you the optimum solution, but you are also using a Hungarian algorithm to figure out the solutions. So the first step for the Hungarian algorithm is always change the table form into a matrix. So I show you how to change. I change by row or column also can. So start from first column 35, 27, 31. Second column 34, 30, 36. And last column 30, 26, and 33. Okay, so this is the first step. You change the column. Okay, next step, what you're going to do over here is start with the step 1, row reduction. So what is the row reductions? Each row, choose the smallest number. For example, first row 35, 34, 30, the smallest number is 30. Okay, so what you're going to do with this 30, every element in the first row, you are going to minus 30. 35 minus 30, 5. 34 minus 30, 4. 30 minus 30, 0. And same to the second row, the lowest value will be 26. 27 minus 26, 1, 4, 0. And the last row, the smallest value will be 31. So 31 minus 31, 0, 5, 2. So this is a row reduction. After you finish the row reduction, continue with the column reduction. So we write down the name, what's the step you're going to do, column reduction. So what it means by column, that means each column you're going to reduce a value. So the first column, 5, 1, 0. So the first column you already have a 0, so you no need to perform column reduction. 5, 1, 0, just remain to write the value. Second column, do you have any 0? No. So that means you need to perform column reduction. Choose the smallest value, 4. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0, 0, 1. And same to the last column over here, you have a 0 already, so no need to perform column reduction. So 0, 0, 2. Okay, second step. Sorry, third step already. So what you're going to do over here, you need to identify number of line. Is it same as number of row or column also can. So how many row over here? 3 row, 1, 2, 3. What is the number of line? That means you need to perform a line. Okay, so listen carefully. How are you going to drawing for a line? So how many 0 over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 over here. You want to cover all these 0. How are you going to cover all these 0? With the minimum number of line. Of course, I can cover all the 0 by 1, 2, 3, 3 line, but this is not the correct way. You need to think another way is, okay, which column or row contain the most 0? You can say row 1, row 2, you have 2 0, or you can say column 2 and column 3, you have 2 0. So maybe I cover the 2 0 in column 2 by using one line. I cover 2 0. So how many 0 you left? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 0. So how are you going to cover this 3 0? Always ask yourself, which column or row do you have the most 0? Column 3, you have 2 0. So using another line to cover this 0. Okay, next one. How many 0 you left? 1. How you want to cover this 0? You can using vertical line or horizontal line also can. So maybe I try horizontal line. Okay, so I already cover all the 0. So how many number of line? 1, 2, 3. 3 equals to 3 So it's correct number of line over here, same as number of row. That means you can straight away do allocations. So how are you going to do allocation over here? Based on your 0. You need to base on your 0 and do the allocations. Okay, so let me show you. There are two solutions over here actually. Both also is correct. So I write down. Okay, after that, I use a highlighter to highlight which 0 I want to circle. Okay, so you want to do allocation, right? So you need to check which column or row you have only one 0. Column 1. So allocation here. After that, how you're going to choose the 0 over here? Up to you. So maybe if I choose this 0, then the second row I need to choose this 0. Or, okay, you're choosing this 0. After that, you choose this 0 and this 0. So that means you have two solutions over here. You have two solutions. So, but the question over here just asks you to find a location, so you just have to write one of the solutions. So I show you the first solutions. Worker A, so go back to worker A assigned to task Y. So worker B, I follow this one, assigned to task Z. Worker C, assigned to task X. So what is the total cost? Total cost for this solution 1. Task Y 34, task Z 26, task X 31. So all together is $91. So let's see solution 2. Solution 2 based on this one. Your worker A will be assigned to task Z. Your worker B will be assigned to task Y. And worker C, same, assigned to task X. So you check the total cost. So total cost refer to the original diagram over here. Task Z 30, task Y 30, and task worker C, task X 31. So all together is $91. So you have the same total cost over here. So both also will be your solution. So that's all for this example 17.